Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com. Welcome all of you to my another educational video on economy and technical analysis. So friends, in this video I will explain you in simple language what exactly Fibonacci retracement is. So friends, before going further, let me explain what exactly Fibonacci numbers are. So friends, Fibonacci numbers are very famous sequence of number in mathematics. Under this, the numbers are arranged in such a manner that each number is the sum of the two preceding ones starting from 0 and 1. So now I will explain you in detail since it starts with 0 and 1. So let us first write down 0 and 1. Now we will add the first two digits, that is 1 plus 0, then we will get 1. Then now we will add the 1 with its preceding number, that is 1, then we will get 2. Now we will add 2 with its preceding number, that is 1, and we'll get 3. Now we'll add similarly 3 plus 2 and we'll get 5. Now similarly we'll add up the preceding numbers and we'll get now 8, then 13, then 21, then 34, then 55, and now if we add 55 and 34 we'll get 89. Similarly, by adding 89 and 55 we'll get 144, and we can add similarly further also. Now friends, we will talk about what is retracement. So friends, retracement refers to the short term change in stock price or any index price relative to an overchanging trend. So in other words, we can also refer retracement as reversal for short term. And in retracements, the overall sentiment of the market remain the same, but we see some reversal for the short term. So by using Fibonacci retracement, we can determine support and resistance levels of any security or index using Fibonacci sequence. Also, Fibonacci retracement is based on the idea that market will retrace a predictable portion of a move, and after which they will continue to move in the original direction. So friends, here note that retracements are only for short term period, not for the reversals of the market sentiments. So now friends, we will come to the very important part of Fibonacci retracement, that is golden ratio. So friends, we can get golden ratios by using Fibonacci sequence or the Fibonacci numbers. Since in the earlier part of the video I have already discussed about the Fibonacci numbers, so now I will write down the first 13 Fibonacci numbers to calculate the golden ratio. Also friend, you can calculate golden ratio from any Fibonacci sequence. So to make the calculation simple, I will take the first 13 Fibonacci numbers that you can see on the screen. So now starting with the number 144, to get the first golden ratio, we have to divide that number by its immediate preceding number, that is 89. So now if we divide 144 from 89, that is 89 divided by 144, then we will get 0.61. Now similarly we will divide the another preceding number, that is 55. So by dividing 55 divided by 144 we will get another golden ratio, that is 0.38. Now similarly we will divide another preceding number, that is 34. Now by dividing 34 divided by 144 we will get 0.23. So friends, these are the first three golden ratios which we get from the Fibonacci numbers. Also, there is no compulsion that you have to divide 89 by 144 only or 55 by 144 only. You can also do it by using different set of numbers. That is, if we, for example, if we take 21 as a base number and divide 13 divided by 21, we will get the same ratio, that is 0.61. And if we divide 8 by 21, we will get the same second ratio, that is 0.38. And similarly, if we divide 5 and 21, we will get the same ratio, that is 0.23. So friends, these golden ratios are very important in determining the retracement levels according to Fibonacci. So friends, this is the theoretical part of the Fibonacci retracement. In real world, you don't have to calculate these numbers or these ratios to determine the Fibonacci retracement. You can directly go to different softwares or websites to get it calculated. Now I will tell you how to get Fibonacci levels using these numbers easily without using any softwares or calculators or any mathematical calculation. So friends, in the screen you can see there is a chart of Nifty 50, and the website which I am using is investing.com. So you can select any website or any tool in determining any chart. So I am using this investing.com chart. In this, after getting the Nifty 50 chart, which you can see in the screen, now I will click to this symbol right beside to the chart and go to the Fibonacci retracement, that is Fib retracement. Now to get the Fibonacci retracement chart, I will click at the top, that is the highest level of the chart, and drag this chart and connect it to its lowest level, that is this level. And to get the level, I'll further drag it to the screens. And now, since this is the Fibonacci retracement chart, you can see the first red level determining the 0.23 level, that is our first golden ratio. Then further it is showing the level of change of 0.38 that we have calculated earlier, that is our second golden ratio. And similarly, the third is 0.618, that is our third golden ratio. So according to Fibonacci retracement, this golden ratios, the first Fibonacci level which comes out is 8,664. Then the next level is 9,387. Then 9,971 and 10,555. So according to Fibonacci retracement technical analysis, we can conclude that after tracing from the level of approximately 7,496, the Nifty 50 is expected to see the levels of 8,664. Then if it manages to cross this and sustains this level, then according to Fibonacci retracement, it can test the levels of 9,387 and similarly further, which is 9,971. So according to Fibonacci, this red zone, that is the first golden ratio level, has the maximum probability to show the levels of 8,664, and further crossing this level, the probability of getting the second golden ratio gets decreased. Therefore, it is advised, if we use Fibonacci retracement level to determining your trade, that then you should square off your trades or book profit at the first golden ratio level, that is 8664. Also note here that this Fibonacci retracement levels or ratios or theory is only applicable for retracements, not for reversals. So friends, if you want me to make video for the reversals also, so how can we determine through technical analysis the time of reversals or the levels of reversals, then I'll make the video on reversals also. And since here in this chart each candle is for 1 day, so you can also go for a more shorter term analysis by converting this chart from 1 day to 1 hour or 5 hours or 15 minutes levels to determine the more shorter resistance and support levels. So friends, I hope you like this video on Fibonacci retracement. Also, if you have any queries or questions, you can contact me at the contact details given below in the description, as well as here in at the screen. So friends, keep supporting us in making these videos by clicking the like button and subscribe to our channel to get timely notification whenever we upload new video. Also friends, we upload our advanced analysis on stocks, commodities and currencies for domestic as well as international markets regularly in our channel, so you can go and check our videos on that also. Hope they will help you in your trades. So thank you and good day.